1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Midnight to 6, man from the first time from Jamaica. Dillinger and Leroy Smart, Delroy Wilson, cool operator. Ken Booth, UK pop reggae with backing band sound system. If they've got anything to say, there's many black ears here to listen. But it was 4 tops all night, with encores from stage right, charging from the bass knives to the treble. But on stage they ain't got no roots rock rebel. On stage they ain't got no roots rock rebel. Dress back, jump back, this is a blue beat attack. Cause it won't get you anywhere, fooling with the guns. The British Army is waiting out there, and it weighs 1,500 tons. Why you, like you, better find another solution. Why not phone up Robin Hood and ask him for some wealth distribution? Rocker in the UK, they won't notice anyway. They're all too busy fighting for the good place under the lighting. The new groups are not concerned with what there is to be learned. They got button suits. Ha, you think it's funny, turning rebellion into money. All over, people changing their votes along with their overcoats. If Adolf Hitler flew in today, they'd send a limousine anyway. I'm the all-night drunk prowling wolf who looks so sick in the sun. I'm the white man in the ballet, only looking for fun. I'm only looking for fun. I'm only looking for fun. Oh, please, Vista, oh, leave me alone. I'm only looking for fun. F-U-N. Thank you. So, we are the Cosmonaut Junkies. I hope you all had a good day. All the other bands were really amazing. Round of applause for them, please. They were brilliant, absolutely brilliant. So the next song we've got for you is an original. It's called Scumbag Elites. It's not a love song. So, yeah. I got nothing to do, nothing to say. It don't matter cause no one cares anyway, cause I'm doomed to lose this rat race. Wasted into space, I'm in your face. I always feel out of place, 'cause I'm doomed to lose. Why am I told these lies about who should live and who should die? Run down streets and corporate cheats and the scumbag elites. Half-truths to broken news and nothing to say and nothing to do. Illegal meets and quiet beats, but not a word on the streets. Overworked and underpaid, can only pray for an early grave, 'cause there's no way to cheat the rat race. Out of love, fill up your cup. I'm working class but never working up, 'cause there's no way to cheat the rat race. Why am I told these lies about who should live and who should die? Run down streets and corporate cheats and the scumbag elites. Half-truths to broken news and nothing to say and nothing to do. Illegal meets and quiet meets, and not a word on the street. Why am I told these lies about who should live and who should die? Run down streets and corporate cheats and the scumbag elites. Half-truths to broken news and nothing to say and nothing to do. Legal meets and quiet beats and not a word on the streets. Why am I told these lies about who should live and who should die? Run down streets and corporate cheats and the scumbag elites. Half-truths to broken news and nothing to say and nothing to do. Legal meets and quiet beats, but not a word on the streets. Thank you very much, thank you very much. Next we've got a song that you might recognise. It's a very popular one amongst the kind of new wave post-punk community. I'd like to pass it to our bassist to start it up. Watch out, you might get what you're after. Cool, baby, strange but not a stranger. I'm an ordinary guy, burning down the house. Hold tight, wait till the party's over. Hold tight, we're in for nasty weather. There has got to be a way, burning down the house. Take it.
Here's your ticket, pack your bags, time for jumping overboard. Transportation is here, close enough but not too far. Maybe you know where you are, fighting fire with fire.
Oh, well,
Hey,
yeah, you might need a raincoat. Shake down, beats walking in broad daylight. 365 degrees, burning down the house.
it was once upon a place. Sometimes I listen to myself. Gonna come in first place. People on their way to work, baby, what do you expect? Gonna burst into flames. burning down the house. My house.
Out of the ordinary.
That's right.
Don't wanna hurt nobody. Some things can sweep me off my feet.
Burning down the house. No visible means of support, and you have not seen nothing yet. Everything's stuck together, and I don't know what you expect. Staring into the TV set, fighting fire with fire. Burning down the house. Burning down the house. Burning down the house.
Thank you very much. Cheers.
Thank you.
Yeah, fantastic. Great cover then, guys. Really like that.